The new Retirement and Re-employment Act comes into effect today. Under this act, companies must rehire workers who reach the retirement age of 62. Tripartite partners spent 4 years preparing employers and workers for the rollout. Employers say they expect implementing this act to be smooth, as most companies are ready for it. S. Ramesh with this report.
Singaporeans are living longer, with average life expectancy going up to 81 years in 2009. According to the latest labour force survey, 6 in 10 Singaporeans aged 55 to 64 were working, up from 59% in 2010. The re-employment law allows workers to continue working beyond retirement age and provides employers the flexibility to retain older workers. According to a Manpower Ministry survey conducted in 2010, 8 in 10 companies are already rehiring workers beyond 62. One of them is German industrial and consumer goods company Robert Bosch.
We have offered them a reasonable package. As far as we are concerned, these are discussed on a case-to-case basis, and the pay package is, the terms of employment is depending on the re-employment conditions. We do not discriminate in terms of age or gender, etc. So as long as they can perform, as long as the contract conditions is negotiated, there is no differentiation.
The labour movement says there are some 10,500 re-employed workers from the unionised sector, up by 3 times from 3,400 in 2007. The Employers Federation says it will continue to encourage more companies to rehire older workers.
We will never get 100%, but we are already getting a high percentage of positive response. We will continue to reach out to the rest. I recall that even 3 years ago, during the downturn, one of our fear was that whether the companies would take this opportunity to get rid of all the older workers, but it didn't happen. That the retrenchment showed that there's no age gap.
Minister of State Tan Chuan Jin has urged both employers and workers to adopt a positive mindset in working out re-employment terms. He told Channel News Asia that employers should view older workers as a valuable asset and tap on their experience, while employees should adopt a flexible approach in considering re-employment options and adjustments. While the objective of the law is to create employment opportunities for older workers, tripartite partners also acknowledge that some employers may not be able to offer eligible jobs to workers due for re-employment. Now, for such workers, the employers have the option of offering them the employment assistance payment. Now, this payment is aimed at helping workers tide over the period while they look for a new job or undergo training. Companies which have yet to put in place rehiring arrangements can approach the Employers Federation for assistance.